Welcome to the first lesson in our LaTeX tutorial series. In this lesson, we will introduce you to LaTeX, a powerful typesetting system used for creating documents with beautiful formatting. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is LaTeX? LaTeX is a typesetting system commonly used for academic and technical documents such as research papers, theses, and reports. LaTeX is pronounced LaTeX, where tech is the first syllable of the Greek word for technology. It provides precise control over document layout and formatting, allowing its users to focus on content creation rather than formatting. Now, let's discuss some of the advantages of using LaTeX over other document processors. First, LaTeX produces professionally looking documents with consistent formatting, which is crucial for academic and scientific publications. It also excels at handling complex mathematical equations and symbols, making it a favorite among scientists and mathematicians. Thirdly, LaTeX documents are plain text files, making them lightweight, portable, and easy to version control using tools like Git. And above all, LaTeX is free and runs on any hardware platform available. Before we start creating LaTeX documents, let's set up our LaTeX environment. The question is, do you want to work online or offline? Working online, you can work and store your files online. You can work collaboratively with colleagues in real time using shared documents. You don't have to download, install, or update anything. You can start right away. It's probably the easiest and fastest way for beginners. Go on Google, type Overleaf, and click on Overleaf Online LaTeX Editor. If you want to see how to create your first document with LaTeX, there will be a video on that on my YouTube channel. Now, do you want to work offline? That is to work and store your files offline. You will have complete control on how you organize and store your files. If you don't have internet connection and still want to use LaTeX, you just need to download and install two softwares on your computer, a LaTeX distributor and a LaTeX editor. If you want to know how to download and install LaTeX on your computer, there will be a video on that on my YouTube channel. Once you have installed your text distribution and chosen an editor, you're ready to start creating LaTeX documents. This wraps up our introduction to LaTeX. In the next lesson, we will learn how to create a basic LaTeX document. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. See you in the next lesson.